2, 3, 4. Let's break down each hand. So the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Three finger on the left of the 3, then the 1 on the left of on the right of the 3, 2 on the middle of the 3, and then 3 on the middle. In the middle on the left of the 3, then 4 on the right of the 2, and then 5 on the left of the 2, 5 again. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And the right hand. Let's break down those notes. For the right hand, you have your 3 on this black key and your 5 on this black key out of the 3. And then you move to 2 and 4, 2 and 4 on this black key out of the 2 and this black key out of the 3. Then you have these 2. There's the 2, there's the 3, then you have these 2. Why don't you play it like this? But I'm showing you this. There's the 2. 3 and 5, 2 and 4, 2 and 3, 1 and 2.